Hey YouTube, so I'm back with another video, and today this video will be a video of me installing my first wig. So it's a synthetic wig. It's crimped and it's 34 inches, baby. You know I like the long hair. I got my hair braided down already. My scalp is oiled. So I did my braids, as you can see. I tried my best. I did them last week actually, so that's why they look, fuzzy or whatever, but they still fresh, and when I put the wig cap on, it's laid. So don't judge my braids, y'all. I can't really cornrow like that, but I did a little something for this video and for the wig. So yeah. I'm just gonna take this jam to lay down my edges or whatever, because we want them edges laid, girl. So let's see. Out the way, and I got a little wig cap. It's nude. I'm just gonna put this on. Y'all, please don't judge. This is my first time doing it install. So, but I have confidence that this wig gonna come out looking good. So bear with me. Okay. Wig cap on. I'm gonna show y'all the package because I had already took the wig out when I had tried on the wig. So this is the packaging beyond your imagination. And this is, oops, gotta flip it. Is that right? Okay, so it's just backwards on camera. Okay, so yeah. Crimp 34 inches and the number is 1, meaning black. So let's take out this wig, girl. Oh, child. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Okay, let me go frame. So I'm taking it out the package. And it's naturally a side part wig. I tried doing the middle part, but that didn't turn out right, because y'all know I love me a middle part, but the side part cute, I guess. So this is the wig. This is how it looks on the little person, whatever, but this is the wig. Let me take the hairnet off. Y'all see that? Crimps, baby, crimps. So yeah, I'm gonna put the wig on my head, of course, but let me take this tag off of it. Put it on my head. I mean, you know what I mean. you know what I mean. I just want to make sure it's flat. The lace is transparent, of course, so that's great. And this is how it looks when it's on, girl. About to be cute for Thanksgiving. So this is how I look with the wig on. But all right, so next step, I gotta to be glue and cut this to like right here. Yo, don't judge, okay? I'm gonna get it together. So, let me get my blow dryer. Also, the stuff I'm gonna be using, first of all. So, of course, I showed y'all the little brush I was using. The jam. Okay, the jam. I'm gonna be using the medium brown lint tape. The medium brown lint tape. If I say it wrong again. The medium brown lace tint. I'm gonna be using this, okay? And I'm gonna be using to be glue. Okay. So, for our next step, I'm gonna take my to be glue spray, spray it on like 3 layers to make sure that it's like, you know, it don't move. My cap, it don't move. So we're gonna do like 3 layers of this to be glue. Then I'm gonna go in with the lace tint, spray the cap, and I'm also gonna be spraying the lace or whatever. But I'm gonna just fast forward this because I can't do 2 things at once. I cannot, like, you know, this is my first time installing my wig, so I can't talk and I can't install the wig at the same time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna record me installing it, but I'm gonna do a time-lapse video, and when I get better, I'll do like detailed videos. But since it's my first time, I want to make sure I do it good, so I'm gonna just record me installing it. And yeah, enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So guys, I'm back now. Honestly, putting on a wig is just too much and it's hard when you're doing it on yourself, because I've done it on somebody before and it wasn't this difficult. Okay, so like I put the wig cap on, right? And the first wig cap, I definitely screwed that up. Like that thing was slipping back off my head. And the second time I did okay, but now I have the wig on. See? I had put like that. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I put the little tint on it or whatever. So now I have to cut the leaves, make sure this sucker stay down. But honestly, that bald cap part is the worst step. I had to do that off camera, y'all. I'm so sorry I could not record that part. I'm not a professional. I'm new to this, so if anybody have tips, let me know. But now I'm about to now I'm about to get ready to apply the wig on for good. Y'all, please pray for me. Because if I screw this up, I'm going to be mad. Because I spent like $90 on a synthetic wig. Just know I'm going to be really mad because this wig costed a lot. So, yeah. I'm going to do... I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all what I'm working with. So, guys, this is the final look. I love it. Let me show y'all how I look when I stand up. To say this was my first time installing my own wig, it was pretty hard. What was really the hardest part was the bald cap part, because I did not know what I was doing. The first cap y'all saw me blow drying, I had to put that out because it just wasn't working for me. I could like too far up, I guess you could say, so it wasn't gonna work out. The second time I attempted it, It was okay. I had some trouble with that bald cap as well, but then after that, like, I know y'all see all that got to be blue right there. I did not have no rubbing alcohol to wipe off the excess, but I'm about to go to the store and get some because I can't be going out like that. The wig looked great, but that little part right there is irking me. So I'm gonna go to the store and get some rubbing alcohol so I can wipe the excess off. But what else? I'm trying to see. So yeah, this wig came from the hair store. It costed around $80 to $90. I can't remember the exact total, but yeah, it costed about that much. And to say it's synthetic, it moves, it's not stiff, it's soft, and it's easy to work with. The only flaw is that, like, you can't do edges if you wanted to because it's not real hair. Because I tried to do edges or whatever, but it didn't work out because the hair started getting knotted. So I was like, yeah, I cannot mess up this hair. So I just left the edges alone. I never get edges anyway, but I thought, why not add a little spice to it and do some edges? But it didn't work out. So maybe when I get like my first actual wig. So when I get my first actual wig, you know, I gotta add some edges. But for now, I like the no edges and I like the crimps. It actually turned out very nice. So yeah, if you like this halfway video of me installing my first wig, make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you're not a part of the family, subscribe. And also comment more content because I'm running out of content ideas right now. So yeah, other than that, like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Shay, and I'm signing out. Bye.